Hi guys, in this video I show you how to add an arrow and a circle for marking anything in CapCut Mobile. First, upload the video where you want to add the markings. Find the video moment where you want to add the arrow. Then click on the freeze image right here. This will create a 3-second long image about this video moment. You can make it a little bit shorter. Then click on text, and under stickers you can find arrows, circles and everything already prepared here. You can also search for marking symbols like arrows or circles right here in the search bar. Click on one of them to add it to the timeline. Adjust the position and the length of your arrow in the timeline, and then use both fingers to adjust the position, size and rotation of your arrow. To make it look more professional, we are using animations in and out for this arrow. You can use different styles of animations. I like to use the bounce in and bounce out effect. Don't forget to adjust the time for the in effect and out effect here. Great, the arrow marking and animation is finished now. Let's do the same with the circle. Spot the video moment, add the freezed image and adjust the length. Click on stickers and add the circle to your timeline. Adjust the position and the length of your circle in the timeline. Add the in and out bounce animations and also adjust the timings. And then all you need to do is using 2 fingers to adjust the position, size and rotation of your circle. Perfect, you successfully created in and out bounce animations with arrows and circles in CapCut Mobile.